you saw here last night, several local restaurants have paid the price to the health department because of some COVID safety violations.
Yeah, not what you want. Tonight, we are hearing from some of those business owners about what happened and how they were told to shut down. 10 on your side's Regina Mobley has that story for us. Regina?
Anita and Tom, two owners I spoke with are still in disbelief after their food permits were pulled. They are calling the process unfair and heavy-handed. Phase 3 of the reopening of Virginia created a phase Jeff Fout has never seen after 30 years in the restaurant business. His permit to operate Max Barge on Colley Avenue was pulled Thursday night after an unannounced visit from 2 health department inspectors and 2 ABC agents.
2 ABC agents in tactical gear, fully armed, everything, came in with the health department, saw that 2 of the guys had a drink on the bar.
The owners of the Living Room Lounge on North Military Highway tell a similar story. Friday night, a team that included armed ABC agents in tactical gear paid a visit to his establishment. The owners thought they would be congratulated for a job well done. Instead, their food permit was pulled. Over the past few days, the state has suspended food permits for Norfolk businesses Max Barge, The Living Room, Chicho's Backstage Cafe, and in Virginia Beach, The Box and Central at Shore. A state official says permits can be pulled under the governor's Executive Order 67.
Does have a requirement that their employees wear face coverings. And if that were an issue, then we could seek enforcement against the business for that.
Max Barge reopened Wednesday after the owner installed numerous new signs calling for distancing. He calls the rules inconsistent.
They came in with a purpose, and that was to shut us down.
Jeff Fout may look familiar. Just last week, he was featured in a wavy TV 10 report that showcased the changes made at his Chesapeake restaurant designed to keep patrons and employees safe. Because of what happened at his Norfolk restaurant, Fout says he's considering taking the state to court. Regina Mobley, 10 on your side.
Thanks.